Ito, sirahan pre. Nangyari? What happened?
It's not starting again.
No, it's starting again? No gas?
There's gas.
It's gas? You try? Can I try?
Yeah.
This scooter Rusi?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Where do you live?
Paranaque.
Paranaque, so far pa. But your is no start, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but haba
Battery?
battery. Let's wait. No kickstart?
No kickstart.
No kickstart? Oh, ra. Yo. It's okay na.
Ay?
Oh. Mamatay. Ano to? Nalulunod. How many years?
More than 3 years.
3 years? More than 3 years? Yung pala may kickstart pala eh. Aba kickstart
It's not functioning.
Not function. Get your your phone. Oh, not function. Yan na, you need change your motorcycle. You buy a new motorcycle. Because this very old na.
No money.
Huh? What's your work here?
Work there in Uptown Mall.
Uptown Mall? Call center? Okay. So what happened now?
I don't know. What can you do?
Your battery? Oh. Your gas is full tank.
Yeah.
Oh, oo nga, full tank ka oh. But your is not working New battery. This is a new battery
But the thing's not functioning.
New battery. Pero ano to? Ayaw mag-function din yung niya oh. Ayaw na mag you need Lalamove.
Yeah. Order Lalamove.
Lalamove and then get your to the to your home. Bring your motorcycle. Bring to your home the Lalamove. Again. Sweet lang. But need the rest because your motorcycle is like tired. Umaandar naman siya. Yan mga brad, kung mapapansin nyo, umaandar. Kaso nga lang, pagka inano mo siya, nawala yung kuryente niya. Tingin ko, carburetor to parang nalulunod siya mga brad Yan. Yung motor niya. Lang natin, pahinga natin sa rest. Umaandar naman to, 2-4. Nalulunod lang.
Kaya kung bahala dyan mamaya kung mabubutan mo pa yan. Itaya ba yan? Anong mayari?
What's your nationality?
Kamulan na.
Nigerian? What?
Congo.
Congo? Congo. Oh, it's a water.
Huh?
Water.
No water.
Like ano, this hindi kaya ito na ano, nalunod sa baha? Flood. In flood.
Huh?
Yung in Paranaque, flood.
No.
No flood.
No.
No flooding. Like in Tondo,
Trey, return na to Trey.
Manila. Just wait.
Walang bigay, patari mo lang. Malulusot yan. Ako.
Ayan o, pag inano siya, gumagana pa ba to? Oh, gumagana pa siya ito. Kaya dyan yan. Oh, one click lang oh. One click lang eh. Pero pag inano mo siya, na ano siya, na tawag yun, namamatay. Oo.
Kasi dito.
Ayan o. Kaya to, problema nito.
Dali yung gugulan ko.
Ayan o.
Spark plug yan. Dito to.
Spark plug no? You have ano, tools?
Madaling ito Trey. Puting.
You don't have tools? Because this is spark plug.
Sa loob.
Oo. Oo. Ano yan, nasa loob yung ano niya no, pag binaklas yan.
Nasa loob niya eh.
Yan ay si.
Pinaklas ko yan.
Trey.
Ate.
Ano kasi mga brad, sa sobrang tagal na rin itong motor niya, walang maintenance. Hindi natin malaman kung nasa yung ano nito eh. Hindi naman to Honda, Rusi to.
Arusi ba yan?
Oo, Rusi.
Kabila din na to. Ikutan ulit na to. Nasiraan din. Yung puruin.
Copy. Turn over ko muna to sa'yo. Commander naman. Sir, if you, tawag nito, ano pre? I'm nose bleeding eh. If don't work, not working, you need call the Lalamove, okay?
I already called.
You already call? Okay, that's good. Because this technician also.
Oh.
Yeah. But don't have like tools. Yeah. You need tools. You see, your motorcycle problem is spark plug. The spark plug is replacement. Wala like
Wala pang dami.
tawag yan. Monster na. Okay.
Where is it?
Kanal buwan.
Lalamove pre. Ano? Lalamove ba yan? Lalamove?
Ewan ko kasi biglang sumadsad sila eh.
Sumadsad.
Propeller at naman.
Basura yata yan eh. Lalamove. Sa Lalamove. Pre, baka yan yung Lalamove. Ito Lalamove. Lalamove. Ito Lalamove. Isa Lalamove, brother. Yeah. Doon mo, sa unahan namin. Come. Itulak mo dito, pre. Mula na, oh. I will help you, brother, ha.
Thank you.
Don't worry, this is our part of job. Okay? You replace na your motorcycle, ha. I give you money. Taga sa amin pala to eh, mga driver eh. Taga Zone 3.
Ay, makalala pa kami.
Taga Black 6 ka, di ba?
Okay kayo. Siya, nakilala.
Black 7 ako.
Kayo, hindi ka nakilala sa kanya.
Hindi kababata ni Mrs. yung asawa mo.
Sa dulo kasi ko yun, nakikita ko ito pag-uusap.
Kaila kami, kaila paring dyan.
Kaya naka-contact list yan ah.
Wait lang. Okay.
Center stand mo ah. Side stand lang.
Kita kayo sa vlog ko. Ha?
Side stand lang. Side stand mo na lang.
Center stand. Sa Paranaque daw yan, pre. You here na lang. Brother. You want here? Inside? Sige, Brad. Kaya na bahala sa kanya. Okay. What's your name?
Daniel.
What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Take care, ha?
Tsa, ulan!
Sige, Brad. So yun, mga Brad, nakarga na. Okay na, natulungan natin.